Alright, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Wi-Fi Walkie Talkie app. I just uninstalled the app on my devices so that I can show you everything from scratch. So what I'm going to do now is just install them. So, so just head over to the Play Store and search for the Wi-Fi Walkie Talkie app, or check the link in the description. It will take you straight to this page. From here, you can install the app. Okay, so the app is done installing. What I'll do now is I'll keep this phone. I'll tap open on this one. Give it some time to load. Okay, so tap allow so that it will send you notifications. Next, tap on this button and then give it access to your mic so that you can use it to talk. Next, tap allow so that the app will find other devices that have the Walkie Talkie app installed. And that's basically all. So now it is looking for apps that have the Walkie Talkie app installed. This one has it installed, so I'll tap open. Okay, I'll tap allow and I'll tap here. I'll tap allow again and allow. And now both of them should find each other. If I just do a refresh, they have now found each other. So I can now long press this to speak. So let's try it out. This is a test. Okay, I need to increase the volume. Oh, let's use this one. This is a test. So hopefully you heard it. Let's try it again. This is a test. Okay, so that's how you do it. Now, if you go back, there's the conversation section. If you tap on it, this is going to pop up. So tap while using the app. I have to allow this one as well. Go back and then tap while using the app. Okay, so now this device has found this one. And from here, I can send text, I can send voice notes, I can do audio or video calls.